Hi guys, so today I am going to be unboxing EXO's EXOPLANET 1, the Lost Planet in Seoul. I have already done an unboxing for the second one. This is just the other one that I needed to get. And I've already watched the second one and really enjoyed it. So this one I actually haven't seen. Anyway. This one is bigger than the other one, as you can see. I think I also did an unboxing of like the album version of this a while back. But yeah, I just never got around to actually getting this album, this DVD until recently. Yeah, here we go. Here we have the track listing. Okay, I'll just, yeah, that's better. Okay, so there are 3 discs on here, and on disc 1 there are 21 tracks, and they are The Lost Planet, Haka, Mama, Let Out the Beast, I'm Lay, which is Lay solo, Moonlight, Opening Meant, Delight, Chanyeol solo, Angel, Black Pearl, Uprising, Chen solo, Meant, Music Battle, XOXO, Kisses and Hugs, Beatmaker, Sehun solo, Love, 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 Thunder, Tell Me What Is Love, Dio solo, My Lady, My Turn to Cry, Baekhyun solo, and Baby Don't Cry. So those are all the tracks on disc 1, and then on disc 2 we have the remain like 22 to 39, and they are Meant, Machine, Breaking Machine, which is Shumin solo, 365, History, Beautiful, which is Suho solo, Peter Pan, Metal, Tao solo, Heart Attack, Deep Breath, Kai solo, Overdose, Meant, Wolf, The Legend Begins, Wolf, Growl, Meant, Lucky, and the closing Meant. And then obviously on disc 3 we have the concept making film. This one, subtitle wise, there's only Korean, Japanese, and Chinese simplified, so there is no English subtitles, and The Lost Planet 2 didn't have English subtitles either, which is a bit strange to me, just because, like, obviously SM is a really big company and they have a lot of, like, you know, English speaking fans or fans that know English, and even idol groups from like other lesser known companies tend to have English subs in their DVDs. But I mean, hopefully one day I'll get good enough in Japanese to actually or Korean. Anyway, I'll just take it out of this, which is what it comes in. It's not, I don't feel like it's very sturdy, but okay. There are a lot of booklets in here. Okay, and then we have this. I'm guessing the CDs. Yep. Okay, so disc 1. What makes me sad about this DVD is that I don't get Luhan solo. I know that he left before, obviously he left before they released this, and that's why I don't get his solo on here. Oh, but it would have been nice. I just have to live with the fan cams. Anyway, we got the track listing on here again for all 3 DVDs and CDs, and then disc 2, which is gray, silvery-ish. And I mean, the backs are all the same, so it's just kind of, you slip it in. So they all look like this. And then disc 3, which is white. So that is it, I think. There's nothing else. I don't think. Yeah, that's it. So all of the discs just come in this. Okay, let's go through the photo books. So, Dio. Speaking of Dio, I watched Hyung in the cinema I went with my mom. I was just like, I convinced my mom to go see it with me because she really likes like Korean dramas and movies as well. So I did. And if I wasn't so incredibly Suho biased, I probably would have just like, you know, Dio would have wrecked me because Kyungsoo was he was really good in that movie. And it was just a really good movie in general. And I really liked Jo Jong-seok and Park Shin-hye as well a lot. So, yeah. If you can go see it, I definitely recommend it. But, like, it broke my heart. Okay, so as you can see, the booklet is pretty thin, but it's because you have individual ones for each member. So here, Lays, I'm assuming, the L. I really love these shots though. They're so pretty. He's so handsome. I love like all the light sticks in the background. It just looks so beautiful. Like the ocean of it. Okay. Oh yeah, it has their names on it anyway. So this is Baekhyun's. Okay. Baekhyun. Look at this. He looks like an angel because of the light. It's a beautiful shot of him. Oh, the piano. I have actually heard this entire album already because obviously I do have like the CD version. I just didn't actually watch like that. I think I've seen some of the solos, but yeah, I didn't watch everything. Okay, so we have Sehun's here. Oh, look at that. Honestly, he's so beautiful. Okay, and then Suho's, my bias. So the front and back's the same, just like obviously the name there is different. Oh my gosh, Suho, the blonde hair. Sometimes I miss it, but I do love him with like black hair as well, with the darker hair. But ugh, it feels like such a throwback now. I love him. His the drop crotch pants. Oh, I love him so much. I really, really do. Okay, and then we have Schumann, and the X. So, Schumann. I like that, like, very silhouette-y and pretty. I really like this one. Looks so good. And then this beautiful black and white shot. Ooh. Okay, Xiumin, and then Chanyeol. Chanyeoli. I feel like Chanyeol always ruins me. Like, he isn't my bias, but like his photos are the ones that like get at me. I don't know, I just love looking at pictures of Chanyeol. This is cute. And this is the last one, yeah. Okay, and then we have Chen. Chen. This is a nice shot. He just looks so good. He looks so good. Yeah, it's Chen's, and then Kai. Kai. It's cute. The dancing shots never like do him justice though. Like, he looks beautiful, but like when you see him dance, it's like mesmerizing. This is such an adorable picture. Look at his smile. Okay, and that is Kai's, and then we have Tao's. I'm so glad that at least I get Tao's solo on here. Tao. I'm glad he's doing really well though with like his solo stuff. He's doing super well, and I'm so proud of him. I love this. They're so artsy. Some of the pictures in here are just so beautiful and artsy. Okay, and then EXO. So group shots, I am guessing. I love the atmosphere of a concert. I love going to concerts so much. You always feel so pumped up. Oh, I thought it was stuck together. I really want to watch this. Like I said, I really enjoyed the Lost Planet, not the Lost Planet, the second one, sorry. That was Exolution, yeah, Exolution in Seoul. I really enjoyed watching that. It was very, very fun. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to watching this one too, especially with all the solos in it. And backstage. Because I really like when they do solos and stuff. And obviously the second Lost Planet 2 didn't have solos. Not Lost Planet. EXOPLANET. EXOPLANET 2. Cute shot, Chanyeol. I'm aware that like everyone has already unboxed this because this is a pretty old DVD. But you know, still, I just got it and I really wanted to unbox it. So yeah, I'm really excited to watch this. I'm going to watch this like as soon as I can. Hopefully I'll have time sometime in the week. But yeah, I'm really EXO have another album coming up. I have pre-ordered that. That's the winter special album. So I pre-ordered that and I actually received their Japanese albums recently. I didn't get all the members. I want to get all the members, but I just couldn't get all the members at the time. So I will probably do an unboxing of like the members that I have, and then I will do another unboxing of the other members that I still need to get. Just because it's going to be really long if I do one whole unboxing anyway. So yeah, that's my plan for EXO. Anyway, thank you so much for watching.